So the size of the exterior angle is 30. Okay. So if they ask you for the interior angle, how do you find interior angle? If exterior is 30.
Interior angle.
Your exterior angle here is 30. So interior angle? Correct. Okay, good. Okay, next, 这题。You understand the question or not? Never mind, B no need to do, just do 8. Plenty of space here. So if the interior angle over here, can you write down the okay, can you highlight the statement you need to write down so that you can use the statement to form a formula? Interior angle 78 more than. Okay, so in short, right? Stop. So in short, right? All you need to highlight is interior angle is equal 78 more than each exterior angle. Okay, no, hold on. I just write down the statement first. Is 78 more than exterior angle. Okay, so which one is bigger? In bigger or exterior bigger? Which one is bigger? Given by this statement. Which one is bigger?
Interior.
So interior is bigger, so interior angle is equal to 78 plus exterior angle. Does it make sense? Does it make sense or not?
Yeah.
So interior angle is 78 plus exterior angle. So that means this is your interior angle. And what's the relationship between interior angle and exterior angle? They add to 100, right? 180,
Yeah.
right? So in a way, this is how you get it. Okay, so this is your exterior angle, right? This is your in, right? Right?
Yeah.
So now your interior angle is replaced by what? Your interior angle is replaced by this. So you write down 78 plus exterior angle. So therefore, I think you can form an equation already. So this one plus this one will give you what they give you. They give you 180, right? Right?
Yeah.
So your 78, you can move it here. So you get 112. 102, I'm sorry. Use your calculator, 102. So you have 2 exterior here. Right? So you divide by 2 here. Then you get exterior. So you divide by 2 here. So this will be 51. So exterior is 51. Clear? Clear or not?
Yeah.
So if the exterior is 51, so replace off. So your interior angle is equal to, add up, 129. Are you clear?
Yeah.
So that's how you get the answer. Form an equation in n and solve it. Done already. Okay. Okay. If they ask you for the n, how do you find n? Exterior is 51, right?
Yeah.
So can 360 divide by 51? 不可以嘞。Okay, but I think this is good enough. 78 more than the exterior angle. Let me see. Let me just double check. Can you help me use a calculator? 180 minus 78.
102.
Yeah, 102. So you have 2. 102 divided by 2?
51.
Okay, good. 可以了. Okay, that's it. Done. Okay. Let's go to page 3. Let me just get rid of all this. Okay, question 7. Can you see question 7? Page 3, question 7.
Page 3.
Can you see already?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Don't tell me you have not learned this one now. This is proportionality. Okay, follow all the steps and figure it out. Okay, I need you to do it on the left hand side of this. Okay, let me just drag it. So you are going to do it right here. Okay? 可以吗?
Yeah.
For question 7. Go. Just have to follow all the steps. Then you should be fine. But this question is slightly different. They give you the difference. Is 3. So you put the y is equal to k over square root 9 first. And what do you get? Y is equal to k. Can you square root 9 is?
3.
3. Okay, so this is your first y. So I call it y1. And then the next x is x equal to 16. So I continue. So can you give me the y2? Which is k over
4.
4, right? Right?
Yeah.
So they say the difference between y1 and y2, right, is 3. So you use y1 minus y2, which is k over 3. So what difference? What's the meaning of difference? Minus, right? Right?
Yeah.
Difference means minus. So I use y1, which is k over 3, minus k over 4, which is equals to 3. So can you figure out k from here onwards? How do you get k? Can you solve? Can you solve here? Follow. Yes. So this question is a bit indirect. Good. Okay, good. 你在做什么？哦，OK, good. Cross multiply. Huh? You open the bracket for what? 4k minus 3k can... Wait. You open the bracket for what? If you can do the bracket, you do the bracket first. Clear or not? So k equals to 36. Okay, good. Then you can do then part A. What's the part A answer? Can you write the part A answer here? Okay, continue. Part B. Cross multiply first. What's the next step? Very good. So you have square root x equal 7.2. Okay, so you need to square both sides or not?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's not square root x.
Yeah, because you cannot use your calculator and figure it out, right? Good. So x equal to Okay, very good. Okay, quickly, question 11. Oh, they give you the obtuse 290 already. Quickly. X is here. Then y is here. Yep. Wait some more. Oh, okay, 360 minus. Very good. It's the z. So x equal to 70, correct? Okay, next. Oh, by the way, they give you this. What's the meaning of this?
Isos.
Isos, yes. Then how do you get this? How do you get the two small one here? Use the. How do you get the two small one here? Isos. This is 70. How do you get the small one? Yeah. Divide by 2, right? 是吗？
Yeah.
Good. So if this is 55, how do you find this one? Which is your y? Yes. Interior exterior angle, right? Can you remember? Right? Very good. Okay. Quickly 10. 第10. This here. Yep, already erased for you already. Here. Do it here. Underline similar term. Move. Remember when you move, what you need to do? What you need to do when you move? Correct. If you move over, change the sign. How come you never change sign for these two?
Never move.
Yep, never move. It's the same side, right? It's on the left, right? Still. Very good. So if you don't move, no need. Use your calculator. Don't use your mental. Now. Okay, let's go to page 2. Page 2. Okay, page 2 done. Let's go to page 6. Are you at page 6? Let me quickly erase first. Oh, I don't need to erase. Actually, I can move the page. Okay, good. Let me move the page first. So this is the convenience of this Jamboard. No, this is called Miro. Because I can move this question to anywhere I want. Can you see the question? Can you bring your cursor down? Good. Okay, so how do you draw this? You are asked to ABC is triangle AB is 6. Okay, that means this is already 6 cm, right? Am I right?
Yeah.
And then BAC is 65. So which one is BAC? This is B. This is A, right?
Yeah.
C is, so basically this has to be 65. Use your angle measuring tool. Measure a 65 here. Okay? Clear or not?
Yeah.
Okay, next. Then AC is 9, right? Can you see AC is 9?
Yeah.
So this one has to be 9. So you just get it into 9. Just use a ruler. Get it to 9 cm. Can or not?
Yeah.
Then after that, then you just join. So this is your C. So just join up. Are you clear? Clear or not clear?
Yeah.
Okay, done. Then they say measure the length of BC. BC is here. So you need to use the ruler to measure here. Clear or not? Hello?
Yeah.
Clear? Okay, good. Then they say perpendicular bisector. You remember how to do perpendicular bisector BC?
You need use the
Okay, so if I
compass.
use both. Okay, let me just bring down. So let's imagine BC is here. So let's imagine this is B. This is C, right? So
Yeah.
let me just get a straight line. Hold on. Let me see if I can get a straight line here. Okay, good. I get a straight line. So I need to use the so-called the projector, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I need to use the leg here, 1. So basically is I need to get here, I mean one leg here, then here, then here, then put my leg here. I got this, and then this. And after that, I just join these 2 points, right? That will give me my, okay, that will give me my perpendicular bisector. Understand?
Yeah.
So perpendicular bisector means this 90 degree, and then this one and this one is the same. Okay, the length is the same. Clear or not?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's perpendicular bisector. Okay, good. So yep, I think for you is just this much, but never mind. So I need to get it. Hold on. I think one more question left. I need to go through with you before we end the lesson. Okay. Let's go to page. Okay, let's go to page 2. 1A and 1B. Are you at page 2 already? Can you see page 2?
Yeah.
Okay, good. This 1A and 1B. Can you do it right here? Okay. Do it inside the rectangle I have drawn. Can you see or not?
Yeah.
Go ahead. 1A first. This triangle. I mean this rectangle. Inside this rectangle. Already clear up for you. What are you waiting for? Just open the bracket lah. Wait. You have 2 brackets to open. This one also. Okay, so copy it down first. Can you see what I'm writing or not?
Yeah.
Okay, you should open this one first. 1 arrow, 2nd arrow, 3rd arrow, 4th arrow. You should open this one first. Then later you take care of the next one. Then you take care of the behind one.
Okay.
Continue. Continue for me. Over here. 对。Wait. 2x 2
Wait, time.
times.
Two.
Good. So first arrow done. So this is first. Second arrow, this one. Second arrow is this. Correct. Third arrow is below. This one. So if you want to help yourself, you can actually use the 3 here, then you can use the 4 here. Correct. So what do you get after simplifying all this? Correct. This one you can use calculator. You have 2x, 1x, and 1x. So x times x give you. Wait. This x times x. So you need to write one more time. Yep, x squared. Actually, you don't write x squared first. You just write, because this one plus 2 times the negative 3 will give you negative 6, right?
Continuity camera.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Then you just write the x again, no? Just because you have 2x, ma. This x and this x, right?
Yeah.
Okay, continue. Continue. Here. I have added the x for you already. Later, then you do the simplification. Good. Continue. This one done already, done already, done already. Last one. Good, done already. Now you do the simplification. So 4x is 4x minus 6. Xx is what?
X squared.
So x squared. Okay, then minus 2 plus 3. Okay, now combine similar term. Underline similar term now. Okay, good. Then just combine them. So basically you do this first part first. This is your second part. Okay, good. Now can you do the second part? Then later you combine. So you just draw a line here. So you just do it here. Can you do it here? No, sorry.
Mm-hmm.
你在做什么？ Show me the arrow. This one. This one.
Oh.
Yes. Show the arrow. Correct. That's your first arrow. Second arrow. Correct. Okay. Continue. Simplification. Correct. Done. Do you use calculator? Why you use your brain? Or you can use your calculator. Can you simplify? Correct. So now this one and this one combine. Put them together. Like. So this one and this one combine together. What do you get? Here. Underline similar term. Correct. Continue. Use calculator, you don't use your brain. Huh? X4? This is x squared. The calculator will give you minus 6 and minus 6. So that's minus 12. And still x squared. Still x squared. Okay? What they say? Hold on. Okay, done. 可以了. Okay, next question. Can you do it on the left hand side? B, can you do it here? Okay. This method is wrong. Do you know why?
Yeah.
Because you need to split. That's your first step. You copy also copy wrongly. It's 24 leh. 24 AB leh, start with. Can you copy the question? 你写得太丑了，你 continue 再来 give me a big one, write it clearly and big. And by the way, when you do 4 term, right, you should give me a, like, you should later just like draw a straight line, split into two, left hand side and right hand side. Correct. Then later you do it, then you combine at the end. Okay, continue. Okay, let me teach you. Don't do it. Okay, when you do your draft, right, you don't do it on the question. You write it on the side. Okay, then you do it here. Okay, so when you do this during the exam, you do it on the side. Here, 看到吗？
Yeah.
Okay, good. Continue. You put the 4. Minus AC. Yeah, still got A. Done. So this 2 is common. So can you put it? Yeah, correct. Okay, this one done already. Good. So the left hand side done. Right hand side, do it here. PC 6PB. Wait, your P Actually, how you should see, once you take out the P, right, you should erase the P. So you only see C minus 6B, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Put it. So this is common. Go. Wait, 这里. Yes. Okay, good. So can you see that they are kind of like similar?
Yeah.
Which one?
The 6B minus C.
Yeah, so you need to switch position. When you switch position, what you need to do? Like, switch position for this. Correct. Switch position. Correct. Okay, then this one and then this one combine. Yep. Yes. Is this the simplest? Okay, so yep, this is the simplest already for this question. But what if I give you this? Hold on. This one is the simplest already. What if I give you this? What do you need to do? If I give you this, now the question becomes this. What you need to do? Wait, don't do it this way. Do it the HCF. So this question given to you is different from the question above. I'm just testing you. Correct. So which means this one, you still need to get it into this. So the final answer is? Your this 2, where's your this 2? You put it in between. Where you're supposed to put the 2? Wait, 你这个是什么来的？不要乱写。So where you're supposed to put the 2?
At the back.
At the back? Okay, AB2, where you should put the 2? If I give you AB2, A times B times 2, where? Where you're supposed to put the 2? Where do you put the number compared to the letter? Hello. Where you are supposed to put the number?
The first.
The first. Then 你这个 2 放在哪里？ Your 2 is at the back. Can you see? I asked you where you are supposed to put the 2. Oi, come on. A, B, 2. Where you are supposed to put the 2? What's the answer? Give me for this one first. A, B, 2. 2AB, right?
Yeah.
So similarly, for the above, where you are supposed to put the 2?
The front.
Yes. The number is always in the foremost, the forefront. Where is your cursor? You are supposed to write your answer here. What are you waiting for? You 在做什么？你在做什么 Where you are supposed to put your 2. That's it. Why you take so long? Correct. I give you B, you don't give me P. The number should be where? Where you should put the number? The forefront. Understand or not?
Yeah.
Okay. So that means next time if you get this kind of answer next time, always check. Can you simplify or not? Cannot. Okay, good. Then do for the next one. Can you simplify or not? Can or cannot?
Yes.
Yes. So you take out the 2. So it's 2A plus B. So therefore this whole thing becomes 2A plus B. But can you see it's quite very awkward not? Can you see it's very awkward to put the 2 in between?
Yeah.
Where you're supposed to put the 2? Where you're supposed to put the 2?
At the front.
Front. So use your eraser, erase it, put it at the forefront. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the final answer. Okay? Okay, good. So any other question for me?
No.
Okay, if not, then you better go back and look at. So basically, we have finished this homework 28 already. You go back and take a look at the questions that you don't know how to do, and make sure you know how to do. Then tomorrow, you should score. Are you clear?
Mm.